Okay everybody, we have a new project. The Eibach springs has arrived. They're the Pro kit. There's the part number. And we're gonna go ahead and lower this 2021 Hellcat Widebody. So let's go ahead and measure the wheel gap right now. I think it's 3 fingers, but this will be a little bit more scientific. Let me switch my hands here with the camera. As you can see, from the ground, looks like there's, from the top of the tire in the rear is about 3 inches. 28, so you're looking about 27 inches, and 20, 29, 30. About 3 inches of wheel gap right now in the rear from the ground. As you can see, that's the rear passenger side. Let's go to the front. In the front, as you can see, let's center it a little bit. Center. There's, looks like 2 inches. About 2 inches. I gotta review this video because I couldn't see properly. About 2 inches of wheel gap. Okay, that's what we have for the stock Hellcat Widebody. That's what we have currently. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right. There she goes. Springs are going to be installed today, and you're going to see what it's going to look like. We're here at Peoria Plaza Tire. Let's find that white wall over there. There she goes. Wheel gap should. At this exact moment, I was getting worried where it was going because I didn't know that it was going to another shop that they own up the road. I thought it was being stolen. Alright, it's back. And it's lowered on the Eibach. And surprisingly, the front came very close to spec. About a 0.1 off spec. In the back, we probably need some bushings. But to align it properly, to prevent some tire wear, but it looks good. Pardon the dirt, it's dirty, getting washed and shiny, ready for tomorrow's show. But just wanted to make sure I document this for you guys to see how much lower it is. Now I'll get some measurements later when I get home, so we're in the same level measurement area when I measured it earlier before it was lowered. But it's awesome. So initially, there was 2 fingers here. I can barely fit a finger here now. And I know it was 3 fingers over here in the back. Man, I cannot fit 2 fingers in there. So it is awesome. Awesome looking. Just need to wash and should be good to go. So if you guys need your Mopars lowered, adjusted wheels, rims, tires, go to this place. These guys are awesome. Alright, I'll go home and we'll measure some things so that you guys can see how much this Eibach has lowered the 21 Hellcat Widebody, but it looks awesome right now. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, so the car is lowered on those Eibachs I just showed you earlier, and we're gonna drive home and get this car washed. Hopefully the rain stops. It's really filthy right now. So hopefully we will be able to experience together how it feels driving this thing now that it's lowered. I have to remember to slow down and take angles because it's definitely a lot lower than I expected it to be. So currently we're on comfort mode or auto mode, definitely a bit stiffer, not overly noticeable, but this road is also not very good. And I'll definitely make some more review videos on how this feels driving on the different sport modes. I would like to give a big shout out to Alex Brinkler. Hopefully I'm pronouncing his name correctly. He just messaged me on one of my videos about his 600 horsepower SRT 4, and lo and behold, he was the one working on this Hellcat to lower it, which is awesome. I love it when another Mopar crazy person like me works on the car, so you can guarantee that this was taken care of properly, done correctly. I'm super glad. Hey Alex, man, thank you for doing this. If you're watching this video, we definitely need to get together to check out your SRT4 and maybe do a little race. We'll see, right? So thank you, Alex. And if you guys need work on your Mopar suspension wise, contact Plaza Tire. That's where Alex works, and he did a good job on this one. According to Austin, he's the only one he trusts working on lowering and lifting cars, pickup trucks, Jeeps, what have you. So he definitely has a reputation of excellent workmanship. So thank you, Alex, and we'll definitely need to get together to hang out and talk more about Mopar. So I'm gonna head home and continue testing this new suspension, new springs, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you like this video. Click the like, subscribe, and share it. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye for now. All right, so we're back home. Let's do some measurements. We're back in my garage, and if you remember the measurement we had before it was lowered, come on camera, there it is. I think it dropped about 2 inches. My camera would focus. There you go. Definitely it was close to 30 inches the wheel gap was, and now you can barely get to 20. It's 28 something, 28 and something. I'll definitely calculate it how much drop it is, but I just want to make sure we visualize it with a tape measure. That's the rear. Let's go to the front. There is the front measurement. Probably lowered about 1.5 inches. If this camera would focus on the ground. Man, really is nice. So, there you go, guys. Looks like the Eibach lowering springs, specifically designed, I can pronounce anything, for Hellcats, did a good job of lowering this Hellcat. I'm pretty satisfied right now. I'm gonna go ahead and inside and calculate the exact drop, and I'll post it over here.